Dear children, last day I taught you lesson 14, page number 94. Now look at change in the Congress. At the regular session of the Congress at Nagpur in December 1920, some organizational changes were made. The Congress was made a permanent functioning body. A working committee was formed to implement the program. Provincial Congress committee was recognized on the basis of linguistic areas. Congress membership was open to all above the age of 21st and later to 18 years. The organization acquired a wider base, whereas some older leaders opposed the militant struggle. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, G.S. Pade, Bipin Chand Pal, and Annie Besant, extra, left the Congress. Thousands of students left government school and joined national school and college. Hundreds of lawyers gave up their legal practice and joined the movement. Huge bonfires of foreign cloth were organized throughout the country. Khadi became a symbol of freedom. The Congress boycotted the council election and more than two-thirds of the electoral abstained from voting. The movement spread to the rural areas to where the peasants organized no tax campaigns. Hindu and Muslim proclaimed their unity and solidarity. Between 1921 and 1922, the movement took an unprecedented turn. The Prince of Wales was invited to India to arouse the feeling of love, loyalty. When he landed in Bombay in November 1921, he was greeted with hurdles and demonstration. Prominent leaders bearing Gandhiji and nearly 30,000 people were imprisoned. As resolution was passed at the session at Ahmedabad in 1921 to intensify the program of non-violent and non-corporation, Gandhiji decided to launch his civil disobedience movement from Bardoli district in Gujarat. He sent an ultimatum to the Viceroy in February 1922, threatening mass civil disobedience against the repressive policies of government. However, the unfortunate accident of Chauri Chaura changed the course of the movement. The halting of the non-corporation movement also marked the end of the Khilafat movement. Now, the road of civil disobedience movement, the Swarajist, after the non-corporation movement was withdrawn, Congress was divided into two groups. One group led by Chittaranjan Das, Vittal Bhai Patel and Motilal Nehru appealed for council entry, which was constituted under the Act of 1919. Their objective was to resort to a policy of continuous and consistent obstruction to make the government through the assembly and council impossible. They consisted They contested the 1923 election and secured a large number of seats in the Central Legislative Assembly and the Provincial Council. The Swarajist influence became so formidable that even Gandhiji had to recognize them as the parliamentary wing of the Congress. But within a few years, the Swarajists found it difficult to accomplish much. The death of Chittaranjan Das in 1925 weakened them further. The second group opposed joining the council as it wanted to undertake a constructive program. This group was led by Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Rajagopalachari, and Rajendra Prasad. In 1923, the pro-changers formed the Congress Khilafat Swarajya Party, popularly known as the Swaraj Party. The new party functioned as a group within a Congress. The Congress allowed to the Swarajists to contest the election. The Swaraj Party contested the election and owned some seat in the legislation. By opposing every British move, they made it extremely difficult for the British to get their policies and proposals approved in the legislature. After the withdrawal of non-corporation movement, Gandhiji was jailed and was released only in February 1924. After his release, the Congress resumed its constructive program. Some issues that were focused upon were removal of untouchability, promotion of Hindu-Muslim unity, and spread of Khadi. Mobilization of the peasants. Many peasants revolt broke out ever since the British rule was established in the country. During the non-corporation movement also, peasants had been active participants. Kisan Sabha fought against the British and their agents, the Jimidars. Afterwards, also mobilization of the peasants was a tragedy activity pursued by the Congress. Nationalist leaders worked to solve their problem. In 1928, Vallabhbhai Patel organized the Bardoli Satyagraha to protest against an increase in the taxes that was to be paid by the peasants. Gandhiji was also very closely associated with the cause of the peasants. Now,